Cooking with Compare is sponsored by Compare Foods.
Tailgating season is here. In fact, I've already been to a few.
Absolutely. There's so much fun, especially when there's good food involved. For that, we turn to Compare Foods, and Chef Joya's in the house. How you doing, Chef Joya?
Good. How are you?
Oh, my goodness.
Doing good. I love when you come here because you always make amazing vegan recipes for us.
Oh, say that again. Vegan, huh?
Vegan.
There you go.
Oh,
yes,
yeah. What are you making for us
today we're going to do the ultimate vegan nacho. And you know, it's tailgating season. There's nothing like a really great nacho, and it's super easy to make. It's a lot of flavor, and I'm going to show you how I do it.
Okay, all right.
So one of the things we start off with is with our vegan meat. You can buy the textured vegetable protein. It comes dried like this. You get in small crumbles, or you get them a little bit bigger, which makes it look like steak.
Excuse me, you said that's protein?
Texture vegetable protein. Yes.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
My goodness.
Yes.
It does look like meat.
Yeah, so it starts off like this, and then you reconstitute it in hot water, add some flavors and some browning, and it looks like ground meat.
Wow.
Yes.
Actually, it looks like real meat.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, all right.
So that's going to be, matter of fact, let's make that our first layer. So that's going to be our first layer that we're going to add to our platter. Now this is a shareable. You can make this like a personal platter as well, but you want to make sure you get all of that all over. All right, and don't be shy about it.
I'm honestly not sure I believe this isn't real ground beef.
I know, right? Right, it looks just like it.
And I swear, I mean, I have tried eating vegan a couple times. I just haven't made the full jump. But seriously, when you do it right, it tastes so good.
It does, and it's all about the flavors and the seasonings.
Yes.
Right, and so, woo, we have a friend.
And Chef Joya, the smell, too. It smells like this.
Yeah, and that's because it's like liquid smoke, smoked paprika, and there's even a vegan beef bouillon in there, too, to give it extra flavor.
And even the bees want to get in on this.
Absolutely. And then we make our cheese sauce. So our cheese sauce is super easy to make. It's made out of cashews. You can either soak it overnight or do a quick boil to them, and then you add like all these different flavors like onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, use some little bit of rotel, tomatoes to make your vegan queso. And so all that'll be cooking, and you add some tapioca starch, which is gluten-free. So if you have like any gluten allergies, you can make this recipe completely gluten-free because your corn tortillas and all that, and then it thickens up and as it cooks. So then you want to start just adding more and more layers. So for me, let's go ahead and we're gonna add our queso.
Which Eugene is saying he does not believe is not real cheese.
This is not real cheese.
Oh my goodness.
Cashew nuts.
Okay.
All right.
Cashew nuts and water. And you know the full recipe is going to be available. So you're just gonna drizzle that over. And you can do this as a white queso too if you want to. The reason that this one has color because we use a little bit of annatto and sazon to give it a little bit extra flavor. So can't ever have too much cheese. So we're gonna add that.
Oh my gosh.
And then we're gonna go ahead and add whatever toppings that you'll like. So
yeah,
I like plenty of onions.
Oh, I love layer on the onions.
Layer on the onions.
I love onions.
Yes. So you have our onions. Then we're gonna go ahead and add, let's see, a little bit of cilantro. You can even add like corn and black beans. I love like a black bean combination to put on this as well.
This is the part you can really kind of customize it.
You
and make
can
it
do
your
whatever it is that you want, whatever it is that you like, whatever it is you want. Then we're gonna add a little bit of salsa. Now I tend to put like it in different sections because like I said, it's a shareable, so you want to be able to grab some with every bite, and you can put it on just different areas of your nacho.
All right, well this is looking really good.
Right.
Do you mind if I
absolutely
take a little bit of a bite?
Go in there because we're going with the guacamole.
Oh, guacamole. All right. Well, I'm gonna take a big old bite here. Here we go. Oh,
A little piece of guacamole.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta get the full experience.
Give me that. I gotta get a little bit more meat on here.
Yes.
Here we go.
All right. Well, Chef Joya, we are running out of time, and while she's getting, you can follow Chef Joya at Cooking with Joya and Compare Foods at Compare Foods CLT. This looks absolutely wonderful, and I can tell by the word, so you're not saying the word, it's wonderful.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yes.
Thank you, Chef Joya.
You're welcome. Thank you.